There's grunt work to be done in the Air Force, lifting heavy boxes and hauling cargo, and much of that is done using the C-130 Hercules. The C-130 has carried paratroopers, food, doctors, and people around the world in carrying out its mission. Four decades have passed since the Air Force issued its original design specification for the Herc, and the aircraft remains in production today. The C-130 was a workhorse in Operation Just Cause, the Persian Gulf War, and the crisis in Kosovo, augmenting heavy lifters like the C-17, the C-5, and the C-141. Whether the job be a mercy mission or moving combat troops into the theater, the C-130 stands ready to serve now and into the future.